Hello, I am Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I am in my loving kindness meditation era. Get it? I'm in my lover era. And we love loving kindness meditations here at Yoga for Classrooms. One of our favorites is this gratitude relaxation. It's kind of a fun spin on a loving kindness meditation. So I hope you'll join me for this mindful moment. It will leave you feeling grateful for those around you, and I hope it leaves you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated and maybe even a little more joyful than you were when you started. So, for this mindful moment, make your way into a seated position. It can either be in seated mountain, which is where our back is straight and our core is strong and our shoulders are back and our feet are planted on the floor in front of us. Or if you'd like, since this is going to be a relaxing mindful moment, if you prefer, you can go into our desk rest posture, which is where you lay your arms on the desk or table in front of you and rest your head on your arms. Right. Once you're in a seated position that's comfortable for you, if it feels good and if you're comfortable doing so, you can begin to close your eyes. You won't need to see anything for this mindful moment. You just need to listen to my words. So if it feels good, begin to close your eyes and then begin to bring awareness to your breath. Noticing your breath going in through your nose and out. Maybe beginning to take deeper breaths than we typically take. Making sure we're really filling our body with that good air in and out, in and out. Begin to think about a time when you felt very grateful, thankful, or appreciative. Maybe someone did something thoughtful for you. Maybe you are especially grateful for a person in your family or a friend. How does gratitude make you feel? What does gratitude look like? Begin to feel the love, the warmth, and the happiness fill your heart now. Perhaps as you think of someone or something you're grateful for, you can feel that love filling up your heart. Your heart is expanding with appreciation for all that is good in your life, no matter how big or how small. Be with this wonderful feeling for a little while. I'm going to be quiet while you can just be with that feeling, that appreciation, that gratitude. You might notice that it's tempting to smile as you think about that feeling. I know I always feel the corners of my mouth turn up when I think about certain people and things and places I'm grateful for. When you're ready, take a long, deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. If you're in that desk rest position, begin to slowly sit up, very slowly. Begin to breathe in and out, focusing on that breath going in the body and out. Noticing how you feel following that gratitude relaxation. Noticing if you feel a little more love or kindness within your body. Thinking about how you could spread that love and kindness. Like I said, I'm in my loving kindness, gratitude, relaxation era, and I hope you will be too. Thank you for joining me for this mindful moment, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.